Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We are back with another video update, this time for Brett. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar content, smash that bell notification icon, and don't forget to grab your completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked down below this video in the description. Grab it now while it's free, and let's talk about Brett. So, we've done a whole bunch of videos about Brett on the channel. You can go back and check them out. I'll leave links at the top of the screen here on this video to go back and check out all those previous analyses on Brett. But Brett is one of the leading meme coins in the entire crypto space, currently sitting pulling back over the past few weeks down to just under the 9 cents mark. Again, you can see we had a very good run up here back earlier in 2024 with the entire market running up. Again, we did see altcoins bleeding out during the summer, but Brett made a run all the way up to about 18 cents. Again, retraced throughout the course of August, September, had a little bit of consolidation here before moving back higher to new all-time highs, getting as high as 23 cents here back at the beginning of December. And then, interestingly, in line with most of the rest of the market, we had this big pump in the aftermath of the election results in the United States here, moving to the upside and retracing as a result of the market pulling back since that time period. So Bitcoin's still holding strong here above $104,000. Many alts have been bleeding out over the past few weeks, and Brett has bled out a little bit as well, back down to this 9 cents level, but possibly a nice entry here or a nice area to be picking up some Brett at these prices back below the 10 cents mark. Again, this is not financial advice, guys. Go ahead and do your own research. We're going to be looking at some interesting pieces about Brett in today's video, but essentially Brett is the leading meme coin in the Base ecosystem. If you're not familiar, Base is a layer 2 scaling solution on the Ethereum network, and it's become one of the most popular networks for executing transactions here in late 2024 and into 2025. So if we look at DeFi Llama here, we can see the Base blockchain is now the 6th largest chain by total value locked in all of DeFi. So we've got more than $3.7 billion of TVL on the Base network. If we click through into that, you'll see the growth that we've experienced over the past year for Base. You can see back in the beginning stages of 2024, we had only about $350 million worth of TVL at this time last year. Basically, we've done a 10x in terms of TVL. We've gone from $350 million to $3.7 billion worth of TVL on the Base network, peaking as high as about $4.11 billion of total value locked in this ecosystem. Why am I even talking about Base in the context of Brett? Well, as I said, Brett is the leading token, the largest token by market cap in the entire Base ecosystem, and the #1 meme coin as well. And this has even greater significance on Base because of the fact that Base doesn't actually have its own native token. So unlike other layer 2 scaling solutions like Polygon or like Arbitrum, for example, on Ethereum, which do have their own governance tokens, which you can trade and speculate on, the Base network itself does not have a native token or any kind of governance token, at least not yet. Coinbase aren't really allowed to say if they're going to be launching a token or not. But essentially, the downstream effect, in my opinion, of more capital flowing into the Base network, and even with this new narrative, you're seeing all of these AI agents and more capital flowing into Base with the Virtuals protocol and all these agents being built on Base, more capital is flowing into Base over the second half of 2024 and into 2025. And the downstream effect, again, in my opinion, is that we will see more capital flowing into the leading tokens on the Base network, and Brett is one of those. Again, if we jump over to CoinMarketCap and check out the market cap rankings of the top meme coins, we can now see Brett is the 12th largest meme coin by overall market cap. We're sitting just under 900 million in overall market cap for Brett. And over the past few weeks, we have seen a few different tokens leapfrogging Brett when it comes to overall market cap. Again, you've seen the official Trump token just launching in the past week or two, which shot up to a $6 billion market cap. You had Pudgy Penguins with another airdrop back a few weeks ago, again in December, leapfrogging Brett, getting all the way up to a $1.5 billion market cap where we're sitting today. You have Farcoin making a run up here and getting much more market cap share over the past few weeks, moving into the new year. And it's also now above $1.3 billion in overall market cap. You also have SPX, which has made big moves in the past few weeks, getting up in market cap all the way up to $1.1 billion, and AI16Z as well, also making big moves over the past few weeks. Technically more of an AI agent than a meme coin, but call it what you want. It's also after leapfrogging Brett. So, does this concern me? Not too much. I think we see Brett holding strong here around the $850, $900 million market cap. It is still the leading meme coin on the Base network. And I do think we're going to see a lot more capital flowing into Base when retail investors continue to flock into the market throughout 2025. And the net of that situation, again, not financial advice, guys, but I do think we're going to see this chart continuing to move up and to the right. Again, look at this period of consolidation we had here before another big move up. I think that's looking very similar here in terms of TVL, especially with some of the growth we're expecting on a macroeconomic environment with global liquidity, USM2, and more capital flowing into risk-on assets with rate cuts or further rate cuts in 2025. I do think that bodes well for leading chains and networks in the DeFi space, again, Base being one of them, and then Brett being one of the leading meme coins in the entire Base ecosystem. So lots of exciting stuff happening for the crypto market as a whole. And again, the downstream effect of more capital flowing in is people speculating on these meme coins. Again, if we zoom out and think about the big picture here, you check out the likes of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in the past cycle back in 2021. If we zoom out on the chart here, you'll actually see Dogecoin got all the way up to about a $75 billion market cap at the peak of the last cycle. Look at this, getting up to $70 billion here in April, May of 2021. So this was a huge run up with a meme coin getting into a $70 billion market cap in 2021. This cycle, we are going to see total crypto market cap getting up as high as 7, 8, 10, 12 trillion US dollars. And remember, Doge got up to this market cap in an overall market that only went to about 2.9 trillion US dollars. So again, lots of speculation here, but also zooming out and putting things in context, it's not unfathomable to think that the top 10, 15, 20 meme coins are going to be going into the tens of billions in terms of overall market cap in this cycle. So again, this bodes very well for many of these top memes, Brett being one of them. And again, in previous video, guys, we did give you a breakdown of a Brett price prediction. However, this is a few months old at this point. We were talking about Brett possibly getting up to $1.20 in a bear case, getting as high as $3 in a base case, and up to $5.60 in our most bullish case scenario. So drop me a comment below. Do you want an updated price prediction? Because I do think it was probably all the way back in, maybe it was even October, November, when I actually made this most recent price prediction update for Brett. So if you want an updated price prediction for 2025, drop me a comment below. We will run the numbers again. We will think about total crypto market cap. We'll analyze Brett's dominance level and see where we think it can get to by the peak of the cycle. And we'll come up with a refreshed, up-to-date price prediction target for where we think Brett can get to by the peak of the cycle. Drop me a comment below. Let me know if you want to see it. Finally, guys, today's video is sponsored by Femex, the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. I'm going to leave a referral link for Femex down below this video. Again, if you're thinking about buying Brett, you can purchase Brett, trade Brett, and use margin over here on Femex. Of course, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, guys. Use the link below if you want. Don't if you don't feel like it. I really don't mind. Check it out for yourself. The team over at Femex are building some very good tech here as a leading centralized exchange. Check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think of it. And as always, guys, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 10,000 subscribers. We're getting very, very close. So please subscribe, spread the good word, share the video with a friend, and don't forget to grab your completely free copy, The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below the video, down in the description. Grab it now, and we'll catch you in the next one.